Good morning, DXN. Welcome to DXN, the world's largest Ganoderma producer. Started its journey in Jitra, a small town in Kedah, Malaysia in 1993.
And Executive Chairman, Gato Lee Xiao Chi.
Good morning, DXN. So tonight we are very happy because we are helping our tourist department to promote Malaysia to all of you. And most important thing, in the month of May, we are successfully listed, and we are the largest listed company for the past 2 years. Until today, we are still the largest listed company. Why we list the company? Remember, we want to open the forum to all of you so that you can invest into DXN and become part of DXN.
Malaysia! Bangladesh! This is the 5th day of our trip to Malaysia. Today we are here in Golden Valley. And, we all have watched different videos of this place, but seeing this valley in person just feels phenomenal.
agak desain klişelerini olamaz.
Many TSI winning countries, which came to this island to have a rest just like us, are here with us today. We are very delighted from all of this, and I want to thank God that DXN has given us such a great chance.
Network marketing business is living a few years of your life like most people won't, so that you can spend the rest of your life like most people can.
Make sure you find the time and spend some money for your health before it is too late. DXN products help your body to maintain optimal health. Give them a try, and you will feel the benefits of DXN products in a more natural way. Thank you for spending your time with us.